Welcome to Compare to Win. The best outdoor utensils is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components of any camping or backpacking trip, transforming a simple meal into a satisfying culinary experience far from home. These aren't just forks and spoons, they're your connection to comfort and sustenance in the wild, designed to be lightweight, durable, and packable, ensuring that whether you're enjoying a gourmet camp meal or a quick trail snack, you have the right tools to make it enjoyable and efficient, proving that even the smallest gear can make the biggest difference in your outdoor adventures. Number 5. Alpha Grillers Barbecue Grill Set. Introducing the Alpha Grillers Barbecue Grill Set, your complete companion for all your grilling needs. This essential set is perfect for any type of grill, ensuring you're always ready for outdoor cooking. Crafted from extra thick, heavy-duty stainless steel, this set is designed for durability. Its robust construction ensures it can handle everything from burgers to brisket, year after year. This comprehensive 4-piece set includes a versatile spatula with a bottle opener, an ultra-sharp fork, lockable tongs with comfortable grips, and a silicone basting brush. Everything you need for a perfect barbecue. Whether you're grilling in the backyard, camping, or tailgating, this versatile kit is a must-have. Take your barbecue experience beyond the backyard with these essential outdoor grill tools. Experience superior comfort and control with ergonomic handles and scalloped grips. This durable set doubles as both grilling and kitchen gadgets, making it the ultimate choice for any cooking enthusiast. Looking for the ideal Father's Day gift? This premium barbecue set makes a thoughtful present for dads, husbands, boyfriends, or any man who loves to grill. Give the gift of great barbecue. What we like. This set is built to last with its heavy-duty stainless steel construction. If you are a serious griller who demands durability and comfort, you should consider this. It's perfect for those who love to barbecue regularly and want tools that can handle anything. What people say. The utensils are made of durable stainless steel, ensuring longevity and resistance to rust. The set includes a variety of essential cooking tools, such as a spatula, tongs, and a serving spoon, making it a comprehensive kit for outdoor cooking. Each utensil features an ergonomic handle design, providing a comfortable and secure grip even when hands are greasy. Number 4. Kaluns Heavy-Duty Stainless Steel Barbecue Tool Set. Elevate your outdoor cooking with this comprehensive 21-piece barbecue tool set. It includes everything you need for a professional grilling experience, from tongs and skewers to a grill brush and apron. Crafted from premium, rust-resistant stainless steel, these tools are built for durability and performance. They are heat-resistant, dishwasher-safe, and designed to last for years of delicious meals. Keep your grilling essentials organized and protected with the included lightweight aluminum storage case. It's perfect for taking your grilling passion on the go, whether you're camping or traveling. Looking for the ideal gift for the grill enthusiast in your life? This user-friendly set makes a luxurious present for Father's Day, Christmas, or any occasion. It's a gift they'll truly appreciate and use. We are committed to your complete satisfaction with our grilling set. If you have any concerns, please reach out to us, and we'll work to ensure you're happy with your purchase. What we like. This offers an extensive 21-piece collection, ensuring you have every tool imaginable for a professional grilling experience. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution with convenient storage and organization, this is the set for you. It's ideal for those who want to be fully equipped for any grilling occasion. What people say. The utensils are made of durable stainless steel, resistant to rust and corrosion. The compact design makes them easy to pack and carry, perfect for camping trips. Each utensil features an ergonomic handle for a comfortable grip during use. Number 3. Freehiker 27-piece portable camping kitchen utensil set. Introducing the ultimate outdoor utensil set, a professional barbecue grill kit designed to satisfy all your cooking needs. It's perfect for any adventure, from travel and picnics to camping and parties. This portable organizer fits all essential kitchenware for a comfortable outdoor dining experience. It includes a cutting board, various utensils, and even extra space to personalize your kit. We designed this with your grilling experience in mind. The lightweight, ergonomic grips ensure safety and ease of use, while hanging rings help save space and keep things tidy. When you're away from home, you need reliable gear. Our outdoor cooking kit features high-end stainless steel cutlery for enhanced durability and reliability, built to withstand years of use. Make any occasion memorable with this versatile set. It's the perfect gift for birthdays, holidays, or graduations for anyone who loves the outdoors. These camping cooking utensils are lightweight and dishwasher safe. You can stir and turn with ease, and they are made to last, ensuring you're always prepared for your next meal. What we like. This is essentially a mini kitchen that you can take anywhere, boasting 27 pieces in a compact organizer. If you need a complete cooking setup for travel, camping, or parties and value portability and organization, this is an excellent choice. It's designed for those who enjoy outdoor dining and want convenience on the go. What people say. The utensils are made of durable stainless steel, ensuring they won't rust or bend easily. The compact design makes them easy to pack in a backpack or camping bag. Each utensil has a comfortable grip, even when hands are wet or dirty. Number 2. 4-in-1 portable camping utensils. Slip this lightweight, compact 4-in-1 utensil set into your bag. It's perfect for any camping trip, hike, or outdoor adventure, making it essential for your outdoor events and fitting perfectly with your camping gear. Enjoy our portable utensils that include a fork, spoon, knife, and bottle opener. This foldable set is ideal for travelers and picnics, perfect for backpacking trips, BBQs, and more outdoor activities. Made from strong, stainless steel, these camping cutlery pieces provide a good dining experience. They offer reliable tools for eating in any situation. This camping fork, spoon, and knife set is designed for those who love to travel. It's ideal for backpacking trips and road trips, making it a must-have for adventurers and outdoor enthusiasts. Each set includes 5 pieces of tableware, folded to a compact size. It combines multiple tools into one efficient package, perfect for campers. What we like. Its multifunctional 4-in-1 design makes it incredibly efficient, combining fork, spoon, knife, and bottle opener into one compact unit. If you prioritize saving space and carrying minimal items for your adventures, this is the perfect solution. It's ideal for backpackers and travelers who need essential cutlery without the bulk. What people say. The utensils are made of durable stainless steel, ensuring they won't rust or bend easily. The compact design makes them easy to pack in a backpack or camping bag. Each utensil has a comfortable grip, even when wet, which is great for outdoor use. Number 1. Odoland Stainless Steel Camping Mess Kit for 4. Introducing a comprehensive 29-piece camping mess kit designed for 4 people. It includes everything you need for your outdoor dining experience, from bowls and plates to cutlery. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this set offers superior luxury and durability. Unlike plastic alternatives, it's BPA-free, resists stains, and won't absorb odors, ensuring a safe dining experience. Cleaning up after your meal is a breeze. This set is designed for quick and simple washing and is also dishwasher safe for your ultimate convenience. Everything packs neatly into a food-grade mesh bag, making it incredibly easy to store and carry. It's the perfect grab-and-go solution for all your outdoor excursions. Lightweight and compact, this dinnerware set is ideal for any occasion. Whether you're camping, picnicking, or enjoying an RV trip, it's perfect for you, your family, and friends. What we like. This offers a complete mess kit designed for 4 people, including not just cutlery but also bowls, plates, and cups. If you're planning outdoor excursions for a small group and want a coordinated, durable dinnerware set, this is an excellent option. It's perfect for families or friends who enjoy camping and picnics together. What people say. The utensils are made of durable stainless steel, ensuring they won't rust or bend easily during outdoor use. The set includes a variety of essential tools like a spatula, tongs, and a skewer, making it versatile for different cooking needs. Each utensil features an ergonomic handle with a non-slip grip, providing comfort and control even with greasy hands. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.